Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannada. Today's article is Gauss law. For a point charge Q at the origin, the flux of electric field E through the sphere of radius R is given by, this is sphere, this is point charge Q, R is the radius of this sphere, dA is the area, then this is given by integration over closed loop E dot dA is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration over Q upon R square dot R dot dA. Note R and dA are in the same directions. Therefore, integration over closed loop E dot dA is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square integration over closed loop dA. You know the area of sphere is 4 pi R square. So substitute this integration over closed loop dA is equal to 4 pi R square. We get, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square dot 4 pi R square, which is equal to R square gets cancelled, 4 pi gets cancelled, which is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Through this is true for a sphere, it is also true for any surface. Therefore, the flux through any surface enclosing the charge is given by Q upon epsilon naught, which is a Gauss law. Therefore, Gauss theorem states that the surface integral of the normal components of the electric field over any closed surface is equal to the total charge enclosed by the surface divided by the permittivity of free space. Now integration over closed loop E dot dA is equal to capital Q upon epsilon naught, where Q enclosed is the total charge enclosed within the surface. Now this Q enclosed is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus so on up to Qn, which is equal to summation over Qi, where I is equal to 1 to n. This equation is referred to as integral form of Gauss law. Now you know about the divergence theorem, that is integration over closed loop surface integral E dot dA is equal to, it is converted into volume integral of del dot E dot d tau. If Q enclosed is given in terms of the charge density rho, then we have Q enclosed is equal to, it is volume integral of rho into d tau. Therefore, Gauss law becomes integration over volume integral del dot E dot d tau, which is equal to volume integral of rho upon epsilon naught d tau. Since this is true for any volume, the integrands should be equal and hence del dot E is equal to rho upon epsilon naught. This is the Gauss law in differential form. For charge situated outside the surface, which is equal to integration over E dot dA is equal to 0.